All right, summertime fun. If you want to know how I did these island twists slash boho twists, I will show you step by step in this video. Now, first you're going to run over to the hair store and get you some pre-stretched braiding hair. Get the pre-stretched, y'all. It'll save you some time. And then you are going to get some human braiding hair. This is kind of like the boho braiding hair. And then go ahead and grab you some braid gel, some thick stuff that's not going to fall out the can. Not that wet stuff. We want the thick. Now what I'm doing, I'm just parting my hair. I like to put the gel in my parts. Some people don't like that. If you have a really itchy scalp, you might want to kind of skip that step, but I just feel like it makes it a lot neater and it's easier for me to get a straight part. So parting my own hair is the hardest, so I try my best to do this without driving myself crazy. If it's not perfect, it's just not perfect, but I try my best. Now what I like to do is section my hair into 4 sections, and then I will work off of those sections. What I decided to do this time, instead of checking the mirror every time I need to part out a section, I just decided to section out my hair from the jump and then just twist it, so that way all I have to do is untwist that twist and start the island twist. Okay, now when your whole head is done, you can go ahead and start your island twist. This really saved me time. It only took me I feel like 30-40 minutes to do all of these twists. That way now I can just kind of watch TV and twist my hair, and I don't have to worry about looking in the mirror every time I need to part out another section. So now I'm taking a section of hair and then I'm breaking that up, not really in half. I'm going to take a smaller portion from that section, and then as you can see, I'm wrapping it around the other section so that I will have 3 strands of hair so that I can braid it. I start off with a braid and then I turn it into a twist. Now when I braid my own hair, I have to braid a little different to make sure that I'm really gripping it and it's nice and neat. So if you see me braiding a little backwards, that's what I'm doing, because I'm doing this on my own head. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the braid gel and then I'm going to start the twist. You don't have to start as far down as I did. That's just kind of where I took the braid. Now I'm taking the human hair and adding that to my twist. You can do this as many times. If you want 3 or 4 on one twist, you can go ahead. But I only had one bundle pack left, so I just did 1 on each twist. Plus, I'm glad I kind of did that because the human hair that I got tangled up a lot. It just wasn't good human hair, so that would have been just a hassle for me if I had too many. Another way you can do these braids, if you do the knotless way, you can do it the knotless method to where you don't get that knot up at the top, but I just took it back old school. I didn't feel like separating the hair like that, so I just decided to braid it the old school way and then twist it. All right, so I only got 2 left, so I just kind of want to show you guys how I did this and how I'm going to seal the hair at the end. Hopefully you can see it. I know my hands kind of be in the way, but hopefully this video helped. Comment down below if you would like to see the knotless method. I can show you guys that. That's how people usually do it. But like I said, I took it back old school. And for beginners, this might be the easiest way to do it instead of doing the knotless method. But if you would like to see the knotless method way, please comment down below and I'll get that video started for y'all. So now it's time to dip your ends. I just put little rods on the end of it, curling rods, and then I'm dipping it in this boiling hot water. That's my little like kettle thing, and it just plugs up. It has a little base and it plugs up, and I just put water in it and it boils it for me. And then I just dip the ends, and after that I take the rollers out, and that is it.